question paper. And the first question is a blood flow in the upper extremity is assisted by, that is Allen test. And second question is a physical regulation of body temperature by loss of heat is called thermolysis. Okay. Third is the most common deficiency in alcoholism, that is thiamine. Question number 4, a safe method of open the airway and unconscious patient with suspected spinal column injury, that is called Jothers method. ICN adopted the code of ethics in year of 1973. Drugs used to decrease the gastric motility are the anticholinergic drugs. ठीक है. Question number 7 is a colic spot are seen in the rubella. Okay. Answer is rubella. And next question is the anti-tuberculosis drug that can damage the 8th cranial nerve, that is called streptomycin. And the ninth question is the anti-platelet drug is given to the patient with the myocardial infarction, that is aspirin. And question number 10 is the insertion of catheter into the renal pelvis by a percutaneous puncture, that is एग्जाम में पूछा गया, नर्सिंग ऑफिसर एग्जाम में. इसका होगा नेफ्रोस्टोटमी. क्वेश्चन टैब डिजॉक्सिन शुड बी नॉट गिवन विद पेशेंट इन ब्रेडिकार्डिया पेशेंट में हम डिजॉक्सिन नहीं देते हैं. 12 नंबर क्वेश्चन, ए डिसीज दैट कैन अराइज फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल बैक्टीरियल फ्लोरा स्पेशली आफ्टर प्रोलॉन्ग एंटीबायोटिक थेरेपी, दैट इज कैंडियासिस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 इज ए ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन इज reaction that is cytotoxic hypersensitivity. Question number 14, menstruation is inhibited by the progesterone. ठीक है. Epinephrine is secreted by adrenal medulla. Sick test is done by diphtheria. Question number 17, a site is due to the cirrhosis of liver is managed with the diuretic drugs, that is aldosterone. Question number 18, a drugs used to reduce the blood anemia level, prevent the encephalopathy, that is lactulose. And the most reliable physical assessment indicator of low oxygen staff nurse के क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया, cyanosis of the oral mucosa conjunctivitis. Trendelenburg position is not seen in a dyspnea condition. dyspnea condition में हम Trendelenburg position नहीं देखते. Kala-Azar is transmitted by sandfly. An artificial method to giving the fluid and nutrients through the tube passing the stomach through an opening of abdominal wall, that is called gastrectomy feeding. 23 question, or Foley's catheter operated by the principle of osmosis. Question number 24, the temperature of water is used to switch bath is 110 to 115 Fahrenheit. Question number 25, a suitable position for patient giving the glycerin enema left lateral position. enema हम generally left lateral position में देते हैं. Sewage purification takes the action of the anaerobic aerobic organism. The quantity of bleaching powder required the instructor is the 5 gram for the 100 ml. Question number 28. Question number, when a patient develops decreased response to the drug requiring increase the doses to achieve the therapeutic effect, that is tolerance. Metabolic acidosis is corrected by the giving sodium bicarbonate. And question number 30, screen and case finding method of halt progression of disease as focused under the staff nurse के एग्जाम में पूछा गया था. सेकेंडरी प्रिवेंशन. द स्पीच सेंटर ऑफ ब्रेन इज कॉल्ड ब्रोका एरिया. ठीक है. 32 क्वेश्चन नंबर, द ए पेरिफेरल वैस्कुलर डायलेशन ड्रग्स यूज टू ट्रीट द पेरिफेरल वैस्कुलर ऑक्लूजन डिसीज, दैट टेंट्रल. दैट्स इट.